Hey Lane's Barbecue family, Dan here with another recipe video. Today is all about ancho espresso beef shin pastrami. So today what we're doing is we're actually taking a beef shin and actually putting it in a wet brine with curing salts, salt, sugar, and other little bits of aromatics for the brine. Now, I have to admit we actually film this over time. It takes about a 7-day process, but what you want to do is just follow these easy steps, and look, the recipe will be in the description below. So don't fret on if you don't know how to do the pastrami. Brine, we'll teach you how to do that as well. Enjoy. So what we have here is our brine. Now the exact ingredients will be listed below in the description. Now with the trim of the beef shin, you just want to take off any of the hard fat and any silver skin that's left over, just so that you can penetrate it with as much seasoning and brine as much as possible. So once your brine's completely cooled, tip this in a bucket with your beef shin just until it's completely submerged. Now here I've got about 4 litres of brine, which is 4 litres of water mixed with all our ingredients. And like anything that's going back in the fridge, just put the lid on it and try and eliminate any oxygen inside. So after 6 days, you want to actually take the beef shin out of the brine and let it soak in cold water back in the fridge overnight. This is what it looks like. Now to make pastrami, ancho powder is quite a common ingredient. So we're using our ancho espresso, which is heavy on the ancho powder. It's going to be delicious. Now today we're cooking on the Traeger between 275 degrees Fahrenheit and 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're just waiting for some nice colour on the meat, which will take about 3 hours, and then we'll wrap it and wait till it probes tender. So after getting some smoke on the meat, what we want to do is we actually want to wrap it. Now I didn't get a video of the wrapping stage, as it's very, very straightforward, but wrapping the meat in with a little bit of liquid and then just waiting for it to become quite tender. So this finished up at around 210 degrees Fahrenheit, and just until it was probing tender. And you'll know it just will go through like soft butter. And after about a 45-minute rest, we want to pull it. So this is nice and easy to touch, and just breaks apart in your hands. Delicious. For another video, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell notification, and if you have any questions for us, please hit us up in the YouTube comments below. I would love to hear from you. If you haven't tried these products, please feel free to do so at lanesbbq.com.au. That's lanesbbq.com.au. And if you have any questions on where to find our products, you actually can go onto the stockers page, and maybe somebody local has already got our product, so give that one a try as well. If you enjoyed it, please feel free to share with your friends, your mates, and also give this pastrami a try. You can use it for brisket, you can use it for anything. So look, I look forward to seeing you cooks. Thank you so much for the support. Hit us up on Instagram and Facebook if you have any more questions, and have a great weekend, guys. Take care.